Guys, no eye blind. That's insane. We gotta release this guy.
What's in his mouth?
Wow, we're in, dude.
That's fucked up.
My drone lost connection.
Did it really?
John, did you get any of that on the drone?
Yeah, DBL for life.
Alright guys, check this out. So we're doing it different, right? On our way home from a garage, or on our way home from a family banquet, we passed by this garage sale, and they had all kind of baits. They had like big bite baits, I don't know, some walleye lures, some like orange worms, I don't know what's going on. Salamanders, storm salamanders, they look like they're from Ollie's or something. So anyways, we're on our way home, right? We see this sweet garage sale, we stop, and we buy this stuff. So what we're doing today is the garage sale challenge. We're just gonna get a bunch of garage sale baits, some garage sale line, garage sale stuff, and we're gonna go out there and see what we can catch. Stay tuned!
We're stranded. The lower unit fell off. So we're gonna make it.
Oh fuck, no fish.
Yo, Nick, you stoked? Hell yeah, bro. Stoked on DBL, baby.
Hey, yo, is this tackle box too big? I got a bunch of bass shit in there. Bring it.
That's good, you're fine. Just bring your stuff. That's awesome, let's get it.
I have like 20 pulls in here, but I'm only bringing 2.
Sweet shit, bro.
I say we just troll the whole fucking lake today.
Whatever we have, we're gonna work that left side first though, Joe. So that way we can like, after we work everything, back to Fireman's Beach.
But
we're gonna
canals
fly
first though, right?
Yeah, canals first, and then
we're gonna work
Like the back canals or the side canal?
the whole canal.
the whole back.
The whole back canal, and then we're gonna work the whole left side to Fireman's
Close caught his
Beach.
first pike. Or Ferris caught his first pike.
Yeah, and then we're gonna work the whole left side.
The main one where we catch the most fish.
Yeah. And then if we have more,
You know we gotta put Nick on the juice.
we're gonna go to. Let's
You know
go,
we gotta put
baby.
Nick on the juice.
DBL for life, right, Nick? Tell him.
Let's go, DBL for life. Alright guys, we're at the gas station right now. We got Nick, we got Ferris. About to put in some gas in the boat.
We're at a first pit stop. We're excited. We're stoked on fishing. We're ready to get it. Let's get it. You know how it is, baby. We got Nick Shell with us. We're about to get it. Let's rock and roll.
Yeah, hopefully we get on to some smallmouth today. What are you thinking? Smallmouth today?
Hopefully we can, man.
Smalley's all the way.
You have to keep reeling it. Can't let it sit. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's not bad. Small. It's a dink.
It's a little dink, it's a little guy.
Get that little guy in, man.
Let Nick get it, let Nick get it.
No, I was gonna grab it if you needed me to.
Nice, Joe. Way to be. Hey,
Let's do some bass.
Good
Good way to start off the day.
How you feeling, Joe?
I'm pumped, dude.
That's a nice little guy right there.
Lost one, guys. Broke me off,
bad.
but
Nice fish.
Joe came out with a
Yeah,
redemption.
Clue missed one earlier.
Joe came out with a redemption. He crushed it.
Came out with redemption.
We're gonna keep fishing these docks.
Nice little chunk.
Get a release on this guy and get it rolling.
Get in that creek. So guys, flipping these boats right here, and this nice smallie just came out and crushed the fluke. Obviously he's waiting for bait fish to come in under that propeller, but I caught him, man. I knew he was in there. My GoPro wasn't on, so
Red
it was
eye.
a pretty sweet catch, guys. So get him on the release and catch you boys on the water.
Largy, dude.
Guys, smoked me right at the dock. I don't know what to say, man. These overcast weathers, it's really bringing out the These nice, beautiful largies. Look at them. Got a little parasite on them.
Parasites.
Health. Nick, man, why aren't you catching any fish, bro? Come on.
He's coming. He's waking up. He's gonna get it. Nick, you're up next, brother.
Hell yeah, you still need to catch one, bro.
I do too. Me and Nick are team skunk, right?
That guys, let's release.
Soon, brother. Soon.
Get it in.
Nah, just a little guy, guys.
It's a little guy. How you feeling about it?
Baby.
Stoked on fishing.
That's your third fish.
One in the boat, baby.
Nick's
Two-
switching to a Rapala because
Two largemouth, one
they
smallmouth.
are aggressive today, guys. This overcast is just making these fish come out and rush.
Nick, what are you putting on?
All these fish patterns. Nick, they're not, say what you're switching, bro.
baby.
Rapala.
Jerk bait.
Yeah, that's not working for me over there.
Not a fluke guy, huh?
You gotta be patient. We'll get you on that juice, man. Let's get.
Turn off my GoPro. Turn off my GoPro too.
Double up. Back to back.
Back to back.
Multi-species, guys.
Back to back pike.
We're just catching a shit ton of fish. It's crazy.
You got the pliers, bro? Somebody got the pliers? He choked it.
Bro, you don't need pliers for that.
He choked it, dude.
Show us, man. They are just beautiful little fish.
Yeah, so I wasn't even paying attention. I was recording with a camera. I came back to my pool and he was just swimming away with it. Nice size pike, not too bad. Nice coloration.
That's awesome.
Let's get it.
Aggressive
Where's your
little
fish at, man?
I'm still tying up,
You ever see a
baby.
pike that big?
Yes, sir.
Ha ha ha. Ha 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 ha.
These guys got some razors.
Alright guys, so like I was about to take out this hook and I remembered like these guys got some teeth. Like look at them things. Those are razor sharp. Never stick your hand in a pike, muskie, bowfin, none of that stuff. But man.
Oh my god.
That's crazy.
What was it?
Small.
What was it? Was it big?
What's the problem?
Nick, you missed one, dude. How do you feel missing one with the elbow, bro?
Crazy.
Are you psyched up or what?
That was a 4-pound.
Nick, you said small. That thing was giant, dude.
It felt small. It felt small.
It's alright. Run it from the edge.
you keep it low? I don't know.
Hey, what did Khalil from DVL Squad tell you?
Cast at the shoreline and you'll crush it.
And run it back.
Oh my god, Nick. That was the biggest one of the day, man.
Damn,
Get
Nick.
back at it. Damn it, Nick. Damn it, Nick.
Damn you, Nick.
Sorry, get the next one, boys.
Hell yeah.
That's what you.
Alright guys, so I just landed a stoked, yeah, bro. So it's the first one of the day, dude. I'm excited.
First one for him.
First one for
Chunks, yeah, check this guy.
Look, same size as the lure.
Same size as the lure.
Scratch your back.
Gotta love it.
Literally.
Check this out, guys. So we're out here with Nick, catching largemouth, all kind of species. What do we have today? Largemouth, rock bass.
No, I know rock bass.
We had a pike, right?
Yeah,
But check
pike,
that out, guys.
pike, smallmouth, and largemouth.
They are
That's
just beautiful, man. These largemouth on this lake are just gorgeous. And they're really healthy. They're just really aggressive at this time of the year. Most of them are spawning, but... Oh yeah, that's a spawner. Check that out. That one's spawning,
Oh, yeah.
you can see.
Yep, yep.
But we're gonna get her back in there so she can go back to her little... You know what I'm saying? That's awesome, Nick. You're up next, bro. You're up next, brother.
We're trying, brother. We're trying to get you on
That's
some fish,
fine, baby.
brother.
Let's get her
Nick.
back.
I'm not Hakka.
Nick. Nick. DBL squad.
Hey, let's get this guy back in the water. Let's keep fishing.
So chasing a lot of bait fish on the edges over here. So I'm casting over here trying to catch fish right now.
Oh, Nick, you got one, dude.
It's a pig, it's a pig, it's a pig.
Jump, help him get this one in. That's nice. Nick, that's a nice one.
That's what I'm talking about.
That's what's up, bro. DVL bass. Hold your fish, man.
Hell yeah.
Hold your fish, bro.
Hell yeah. Celebrate.
Hello. How you feel though catching your first fish on the DBL boat?
Fucking great, bro.
After missing that last one earlier, redemption right now, that's awesome, bro. Missing that tank earlier.
Feeling great. I hooked him pretty good.
Yeah, that's a nice fish, dude.
Put you on that fish. DBL squad, baby.
Woo! Let's get a release on that guy. Woo! Get it back in the water, huh? Nick, way to be, bro.
Way to be, bro. Hell yeah, brother.
Woo! DVL squad!
I'm going.
Woo!
What's the problem?
Catching big fish and having a good time, guys. That's what it's about.
Holy fuck.
Wow. That's what it's about.
It's beautiful.
Holy fuck.
Let's go catch some more fish, boys.
Guys, another larger for me. We're just out here just choking, man. Boy Nick. I haven't seen Nick all year, man. He's been in college, and it's just great to be out here.
Oh yeah?
And just choking largies. Want to touch him, Nick?
You guys stoked on fishing or what?
Hell yeah.
DBL for life, Nick?
DBL for life.
Woo!
Yes, yes. Finally, the dollar spinner. Get your fish, man. Get your fish, bro.
Nick, how you feeling, bro?
Here, Nick. Let me get a Snapchat.
Nick, are you hype or what?
Snapchat for you, bro.
Woo, he's holding it up like Thanos.
Nick, here. Let me get a picture for you, bro.
Hey, show him what
Yo, he's stoked.
you were using, Nick, out of the yard sale challenge.
Yeah, tell him. He's using this out of the yard sale.
Hell yeah, bro.
Literally out of the yard sale box.
Hey, I had to go to the different bait, man. Nothing else was working.
You had to switch to it, man.
That's what's up, dude. Damn, that's a beautiful fish, Nick.
Choked it with the DBL. The
DBL squad.
DBL squad. Joe.
Yo, we're out here hooking them on, dude. Hooking them on.
Yeah, baby. On the $1,000 spinner.
Tell us how you feel and stuff. You know, talk about it,
Feeling great, man. Had to go to the cheapest lure I had,
right?
but it worked, baby.
Out of the garage sale box.
Hell yeah.
Heck yeah, bro. That's a beautiful fish.
Go, baby. Oh, we got one over here.
Oh, versus rod.
Oh man, I thought we had one. I thought we were doubling up. All right, let's get a release on this guy and we'll get going.
Oh, you fucker. Ay! Not seen him come. Jeff, can you do it? Guys, he choked it. Another one of these invasive fish, guys.
Invasive, dude.
This thing sting or anything? Nah.
No.
Just grab it. All right, so we got an invasive fish here.
Keep recording, Jeff.
We're gonna have to kill this guy.
Can't
you
throw him
wanna
back
do
in, yeah.
Hell yeah.
Makes a little camera shy, guys. Says, whoa, we got a little cranky on him.
Jeff, that was a good cast. Let me get a good cast. Fucker.
That one spun around.
Crap, that's a giant.
Jeff, what are you doing over here, meditating?
Here, can someone get my
That's a nice fish, Jeff.
Can you take a picture of me?
Wow.
Yeah, hold on.
Beautiful. Boom.
How many's that for the day?
Take a fish, bro.
Bro, one second. You're not gonna get some for the babes. You're not gonna get some for the. You're not gonna get some for the chicks.
Taking a release on this guy, we're about to toss him back in.
Stoked. So guys, look at this dog right here, guys. Beautiful white dog, and he just hammered me. Luke, I don't know. I think this is like my 6th bath today. It's no joke. It's no joke out here, guys. It's grind. It's cold. I fell in. I'm like shaking cold, but whoa! This guy got no eye. What in the fuck? What? 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 That's actually crazy.
Fish.
Almost
Jeff.
near-death experience.
Oh my goodness.
That's crazy.
That's crazy.
That's crazy.
Zombie fish. Guys, no eye blind. That's insane. We gotta release this
Whoa,
guy.
what's in his mouth?
With the DBL squad today.
Heck yeah, baby.
We had some luck out here today. We hooked into a couple big largemouth and Jup caught a pike. And
It was awesome, dude.
all right, guys.
Let me see that. Yeah,
This is the best.
he's closing out. Yeah, guys, so we're wrapping it up. It's getting pretty cold out. It was really cloudy today, so we're just gonna wrap everything up and get out of here because we've been slaying largies all day and we're kind of tired and hungry. So get something in our stomachs. Get out of here. What do you think, Nick?
DBL for life, baby.
DDL for life. That's it.
All right, guys, so we're wrapping it up right now. It was an amazing day. We caught quite a few bass. I don't know, it's a little cloudy out and cold, so we're about to leave a little early because, you know, they stopped hitting after a little bit. But this morning we were doing pretty good. We caught some largemouth. Jup caught a pike. Khalil caught quite a few. I caught like a little dink, but Nick caught some, so it was awesome having him on the boat. Nick, how do you feel going on the DBL boat, man?
It was great, man. It was a great experience. A long day out on the lake.
We hook you on, brother?
Yeah, we had a couple fish hook on.
That's what's up. You have fun though?
Hell yeah.
Sweet stuff, man. All right, guys, so we're just gonna wrap it up. We're about to head home. So if you haven't already, check out our last video. DBL Squad, baby.
Guys, I literally just fell in.
Really? Look where it's going. Pettis. The fuck lost the go. Run. Ah. It's going to land, isn't it?
Yeah, go over there. We gotta go
Pettis.
over there.
Hurry up, just go.
I don't think it will land. It'll just hover.
It's going downhill. Go, Nate, keep you sleep.
It'll just hover. Oh shit.
Just go.
Just come on, Pettis. Get on.
Go.
Remember, Paris, it doesn't land. It just hovers.
But it's up. It's landing in the middle of the fucking thing.
No, it won't land. It will hover. Do you not understand English?
Should we put the big motor down? Catch it?
Throw it down. Throw it down. Jeff, are you your phone fucked?
Yeah, I got it.
I have my phone.
Guys, we're having drone difficulties right now. Dude, I literally saved the camera though.
Jeff?